Hola, buenos dias, and today me and Jacob are in Malaga, Spain. To Playa, Álamos.
I'm going into the water now, but it's very cold actually. Oh my god, that was so cold. I think it was good for cold exposure.
We are back in the hotel, but I'm going to end this part today because we're only going to be in Malaga for about 24, give or take, hours, and today has only been the morning to afternoon, so we'll see you guys when we come back to Malaga. Hi, another day in Malaga. So honestly, we've been around the southern of Spain, went to Morocco, and I'm continuing this vlog from when we first landed in Malaga, but we're currently in the Old Town, like in the city center where the cars don't go. We already had brekkie, but now we're going to get a little snacky, probably an empanada. We got 4 empanadas. There were so many vegetarian and vegan versions. Spinach choke and shiitake. Oh, it's so good. Whoa, jalapeno and cheese. It's so good. So we finally made our way to the Picasso Museum. So we actually waited, I don't know, 30 to 45 minutes, and I don't know why, but today the entry was free. The museum was really nice, but now we are taking a break and getting a coffee. Okay, so we're finally in this restaurant called Vegano, ready to eat. Okay, so we're back in the hotel, but I'm going to end this vlog here. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do, because there are other Spanish vlogs I have and so many more travels coming in the future. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!